Construction sites can be dangerous places if proper safety measures are not followed. In this video, we will explore the importance of construction site safety and the steps that can be taken to ensure a safe working environment. One of the key aspects of construction site safety is wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. Workers should always wear hard hats, safety goggles, gloves, and steel-toed boots to protect themselves from potential hazards. Proper training is essential for construction site safety. Workers should be trained on how to operate machinery, handle materials safely, and follow safety protocols. Regular safety meetings and refresher courses can help reinforce these practices. Construction sites often involve working at heights. It is crucial to have proper fall protection systems in place, such as guardrails, safety nets, and harnesses. Workers should be trained on how to use these systems correctly. Construction sites can be noisy environments with various sources of noise, including heavy machinery and power tools. Workers should wear hearing protection, such as earplugs or earmuffs, to prevent hearing damage. Proper housekeeping is essential for maintaining a safe construction site. Keeping the site clean and organized can prevent trips, slips, and falls. Construction materials should be properly stored to avoid hazards. Communication is key to construction site safety. Workers should be able to effectively communicate with each other and be aware of potential hazards. Clear signage, hand signals, and radios can facilitate communication on the site. Regular inspections and maintenance are crucial for construction site safety. Equipment should be regularly checked for any defects or malfunctions. Any issues should be promptly addressed to prevent accidents.